Hey guys, this is a video tutorial on how to make a car that will end up looking like this. Yeah. Suspension, it's gonna have WSAD, controls, nitro, oh god, please tell me it's not doing this again. Oh my god. Yeah, anyways, but yeah. So, first we're gonna start off with a little plate, just like that. Okay, then get something that looks like that, just a nice little plate. Useful and explosive. Okay, spawn 3 of those. Spawn a chair. Just because I like it. Okay, so go down to wheel. Choose any wheel you want. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna choose this one because it's right there and it's fast and easy. Spawn 4 of them. I'm gonna give you some time to do that. Okay, so just gonna assume that you guys paused it. I just froze those. Pressed Shift and E to make something go snap. So hold it, press Shift, press E, and it'll snap. Okay, get everything to that way, except those. Okay, now you should have 4 wheels on there like so. You want to go down to remover and just remove that. Okay, so now you want to go to Easy Precision. This is where you're going to need PHX tools. Move first prop to second prop. Okay, Smart Snap would be helpful. It's not needed, but it would be helpful. Okay, go over to here. Just put it on the second line. Okay, put 4 tires like that. Okay, let you finish doing that. Okay, so now that you've done that, set it to negative. It just really depends on what you want. I'll put 10 come above it and right click on it. Okay, now however high you put that is how high it'll be from the ground. So you put it that high, that's how high it'll be from the ground. Okay, so just choose a height that you like, and yeah, then once you do that, keep it at 10. Do the exact same thing to the wheels, just no, push them once. Hold on, I kinda screwed up here. Okay, there we go. Pull them once out, away from the body. Okay. Grab your seat over here. Decide where you want the front to be. I'll just put the front right here in front of me. Now if you want to make it look like all nice and all, then set that to 5 and push it. Hold up. Push it once, and then it'll go right there, and then weld it. No collide would be very helpful. Okay, go back to, not gonna need that for a while. Go back to easy precision. -20, and take 2 of these bars, it doesn't matter which 2, and put them right on the same line that you put your wheels on. So say you put your wheels on that line right there, then you would put your bar there. But since I put mine on that line, I put my bar on the second line, which is right there. Can't get to it right now. Anyway, yeah, do that for the other bar also. And then nudge them up. This is what'll limit the wheels, saying how high they can go. That should be good. Just to be safe, do it one more time. So just putting it right on 40 would be fine. And nudging it up. Okay. Now that you have that, no collide them. Weld them to each other and to the body of the car. Okay. Get that done. Now, go to your elastic and big number. Set it to just that. Let you look at that for a while. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that'll work. Go from the middle of the end of the bar to the middle of the inside of the wheel on that same side. If you're trying to make it look like all nice and stuff, then set your width to 0. Just for the video so you can see how it goes, I'll just have it showing. Okay, and that's it. You shouldn't need the elastic anymore while building. Okay, rope time. Make sure it is rigid. Actually, no. We'll just do not rigid right now. Do the exact same thing that you just did with the elastic. Okay. Now set it to rigid and go from the middle of the wheel to the opposite side. God. Somewhere in the middle. Along the middle-ish. So, putting mine right. Okay, this seat needs to go. Don't put a seat on right when you start building. Bad idea. Okay. So put it somewhere near the middle. So I'm just putting mine right there. Do that for both sides. Okay. And then go from the middle to the opposite side. So it's like that. Okay, do that for both ends of the car. Okay, give you some time to do that. Okay, so now hopefully you guys have a weight tool. That'll be very useful. Put the wheels and the bars up here to 150. The seat and this other bar over here that you made. Okay. Now once you've done that, go over to weight again, change it from 150 to 2000, and then just click on the body. That's it. Okay, and then go let's see. Easy precision axis, no, not weld, axis. Okay, middle of that bar to the middle of here. Make sure it's just like that. Okay. Just like that. Now you're gonna want to go over to ball and socket advanced. Okay, make it look like that. Okay. Now, back wheels to the body, front wheels to this bar in the middle. That's going to be your little control arm where you're going to control the steering and stuff. Okay? Now basically just reverse it. So the positive 45 will turn into negative 45. The positive 1 will turn into negative 1. So watch. Now I don't have it saved under 45, but yeah, you're going to want it at 45 so your wheels don't go all crazy and spin out sometimes. Okay, once you do that, do the exact same thing. Back to the body, front to the middle control arm. Okay, I'm going to let you finish that. You're going to want to take out your advanced duplicator. Once you do that, right click on it once and then just paste it. Ooh, chair. Okay, tap R on it and it works. Okay, that's good. Suspension works just fine. Okay, you never want to undo the original. Oh yeah, and when you advance duplicate it, make sure paste at original angles is checked. You want it checked. Okay. So now we're gonna go for the turning mechanism. You're gonna want to take hydraulic. Okay. I'll change the color of this. Sure, why not? Take it from one side just to the middle of it. And then place the controller next to it. So it'll look something like that. Now you're probably not going to have the nice little rainbow thing. That's just from my fizz gun when I grabbed onto something. Okay, now go over to expression 2. It's going to look like that. You probably know what that is. Okay, so you're going to take the two lengths of those go into your E2, steer normal. I think that was it. 34. Bit off. 34. Okay. Upload and exit. Then release your front tires and spin this to as far as you want it to turn. So if you want it to turn that much, then turn it that much. Take the two again, so 21 and 43 for me, and put it as steer short and steer long. That's it. You don't have to get it exact like with the decimal and everything. It's just got to be pretty close. Now, when you turn it, it should go right back to straight. You're going to want a advanced pod controller. Put it just anywhere. Right click on it, and then right click on your chair. That's going to be the driver's seat. Now go down to wire advanced or wire, whichever one you like to use. go over to the hydraulic, length, and steer. Connect A to D, and connect D to A. I don't want that. D to A. Okay, now go to your advanced duplicator and dupe that. Okay, just make sure that you can see it. Okay. And it should be turning with W and, not W. Oh, that would be bad. You want to be turning with A and D. Okay. So now you're going to want to take out something that looks not like that. Something like, I don't know, that. That may be a bit too big. It just kind of depends on how big your thing is, how high your car is sitting. Okay. And go to wire, a thruster, and put it on all sides like that. Okay. Pull that out just a little bit. Actually, it doesn't matter. Okay. So now go on back over to Easy Precision. First prop to second. The middle of it to, I don't know, just back here somewhere. And that is wrong, sorry guys. No. Sorry about this. Just gotta fix that. Okay, there we go. Easy Precision from the top of the middle to just like there. Okay. Now go up to Axis, right click on the middle of that, and then right click again up there. Go down to Easy Precision, have it on negative, and right click it up. Okay, go over to your nifty little wire advance tool and connect the thrusters to W and S. Okay, now that you got that done, well, assuming that you have that done, and now you can go over to your chair. Oh, you might want to no collide it though. Make sure it isn't colliding with anything. The thrusters. Weld all the thrusters together. Okay, get your chair. -5, and just go above it. Right click once, and it's not right. Okay, +5, not negative. Sorry, always make that mistake. And click it twice. Maybe a third time. There we go. One more time. Sorry, bear with me here. Then weld it onto there. Advanced duplicator. Uh-oh. Oh well. Check and make sure that that's working. Okay. Now the ball and socket advanced. Okay. Just take a look at this. This will be for your wheels, so that you can actually move the car. That'd be a bit important if you're trying to make a car, make it move. Okay. Pause it anytime you need. Okay, so now it just really depends on what you want. You can do front wheel drive, which is just connect this little thing to the two front wheels. Rear wheel drive, connect it to the back two, or all wheel drive, connect to all of them. And I'm pretty sure there's no such thing as left or right wheel drive. Okay. Okay, my chair seems to be having problems. Oh well. Release it. Get in. Test it out. It should be running fine. No brakes. That's still something I'm working on. Hope you liked it. The E2 will be in the description. Peace out.